How to delete uploaded media from your Canva application. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your uploaded images, videos or uploaded documents from your Canva application in Windows 11. So all you need to do is simply follow the easy steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that we need to do is open our Canva application in our Windows PC, and once you have successfully opened your Canva application, you can see the following interface in the home page. Now from here you need to click onto this projects tab over the left hand side corner. We are doing this so that we can get access to all the uploaded files that we have uploaded in our Canva account. So simply click onto this projects tab, and from here you can see that under the folders there are two options. The first one is the uploads and the another one is the favorites. So you need to click onto this uploads option to see all of the uploaded items that you have uploaded until now in your Canva account. Now under the uploads you can filter them according to the file type. So if you want to see the uploaded image, click onto this images option, and if you want to see the uploaded videos, you can click onto this videos option. So for example, let's say I want to delete any of the uploaded picture. So for example, let's say this one picture right here. So if you want to delete this photo, you can click onto these three horizontal dots present over this photograph. So once you will do this, you can see a number of options in this menu which appears, and from here you can see the last option that says move to trash. So simply click onto this move to trash button, and here at the top you can see image moved to trash. So that's how easily you can delete any image from your Canva account. And now moving on to the video, the process is almost identical. So go to the videos option and then choose any video. So for example, let's say this video right here. So simply click onto these three dots again, and from here simply choose the move to trash option and click onto this move to trash button, and here you can see the message that says video moved to trash. So that's how easily we have deleted the photos and videos from our Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.